Hello guys and gals, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today we're diving into a super important topic for all you snow enthusiasts out there: how to clean your snow gear. Trust me, there's nothing worse than pulling out last year's gear only to find it smelling like a wet dog and looking like it's seen better days. We're talking about everything from your trusty beanie to those high-tech snow pants. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can keep your gear looking fresh and performing at its best all season long. Proper care can actually extend the lifespan of your gear, saving you money in the long run. So grab your gear, hit that subscribe button, and let's get down to business. First up, let's tackle that trusty beanie. You know, the one that's been through thick and thin with you? Yeah, that one. Start by giving it a good shake to get rid of any loose dirt or snow. Next, grab some mild detergent and run it under cold water. Don't even think about using hot water here, folks. Work the detergent into the fabric, giving it a gentle scrub. Once you've given it a good clean, rinse it thoroughly under cold water until all the soap is gone. Finally, reshape your beanie and let it air dry. Pro tip: avoid using a dryer as the heat can damage the fabric and mess with the shape. And there you have it, a fresh and clean beanie ready for your next adventure. Now, let's move on to those hard-working gloves. These guys take a beating on the slopes, so it's important to show them some love. Begin by turning them inside out and giving them a good shake to remove any loose debris. Next, grab a damp cloth and some mild soap. Gently spot clean any stains or dirt, paying extra attention to the fingertips and palms. Once you're done, rinse them thoroughly and gently squeeze out any excess water. Avoid twisting or wringing them out, as this can distort their shape. Finally, lay them flat to air dry. Alright, let's talk mittens. They're like gloves, but with a little more room for finger cuddling. Just like with gloves, start by shaking out any loose dirt or debris. Turn them inside out and give them a quick inspection. If you see any major stains, you can pre-treat them with a stain remover. Next, fill a sink or basin with cold water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge your mittens and gently swish them around in the water. Once you're satisfied, drain the soapy water and refill with clean, cold water. Gently squeeze out excess water and lay them flat to air dry. Now it's time to tackle the big kahuna, your snow jacket. First things first, check the care label. The care label is your best friend when it comes to cleaning your jacket. Most snow jackets can be machine washed, but it's important to use a gentle cycle and cold water. Avoid using harsh detergents or fabric softeners, as these can damage the waterproof coating on your jacket. Once the wash cycle is complete, remove your jacket promptly and give it a good shake to loosen any clumps of insulation. Lay it flat to air dry. Alright, let's move on to those snow pants. Just like with your jacket, the first step is to check the care label. Once you've deciphered the washing instructions, turn your snow pants inside out. Toss them in the washing machine and select a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using harsh detergents or fabric softeners. Once the wash cycle is complete, promptly remove your snow pants and give them a good shake to fluff up the insulation. Lay them flat to air dry. Last but not least, let's talk about those trusty snow boots. Start by removing the liners and insoles if possible. These can usually be washed separately, either by hand or in the washing machine. Check the care label, of course. Once you've removed the liners and insoles, grab a damp cloth and wipe down the exterior of your boots. If your boots are particularly dirty, you can use a mild soap solution. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the materials. Once you've given your boots a good clean, stuff them with newspaper or boot trees to help them maintain their shape as they dry. And there you have it, folks. Keeping your snow gear clean is essential for maintaining its performance and longevity. Remember to always check those care labels, use mild detergents, and avoid harsh chemicals or heat. A little bit of care can go a long way in extending the lifespan of your gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any tips of your own to share. Thanks for spending time with us today, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Big Sweep.